Now, if any of that debris starts coming towards this door, back out of this door.
Yes, sir. Oh, baby. That's an F4 right there. F4.
No, you really can't tell till afterwards. They look at the wind damage.
Golly. He's about to turn into a water spout.
That is a dandy.
Jerry, move your head.
Woo! Put it on the lake. It's right on set, right on.
Jerry, get in here. Jerry, get in here. What? Get in here.
Yeah, Canadian Somali. Ow!
Jerry, get in here. I'm fine.
Let it go over that.
Can you see it?
Those snakes can walk around. We got toes flying everywhere.
Man, we're going to have to head over there so you can over and check with me.
Yeah.
I mean, immediately. Going across Canadian.
Yeah.
Want me to film it? Want me to film it? God! God's fingers!
Satellite tornadoes coming around the outside of it.
Hold on with two hands. The monster of a tornado. Woo hoo hoo!
Well, there goes the danger area.
She's a water spout now.
It's going to be shortly, isn't it?
It's gonna be the coolest thing you've ever seen, Cade.
I've got to clean that myself.
Water spouts are amazing.
Hello?
I love it! Woo! Someone's window got busted out. Yeah. Dude, oh my God. Woo! Beautiful! Got those smaller ones coming around it.
It's out in the middle of the lake right now.
Woo!
Now, we're all right. It's past.
I'm gonna go. I need to go see. I need to go look for Canadian. You guys. All right. We can go back to the store. Well, we're over. Go check with you can go back for right now. You can go back in there now.